What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Washington Way. Man, excuse the roughness. I get a lineup on Thursday. We're 6 days out from the wedding. We can't wait to show y'all how the wedding goes down the Washington Way. But today's video, we actually bought a pressure washer for the house, and I'm gonna pressure wash the cars and go give a good review on it. See, I've seen other people review it, but I'm gonna give my honest review on it, and it's the Greenworks pressure washer. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to get these cars done. Kie in the bed right now, sleep. I'm up early, grinding, about to get it in. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so here we go. We got the Greenworks 2000 PSI pressure washer. We'll go test it out, man. It got a couple of attachments. We got a turbo attachment, which just tried it. It's super strong. Send you to the hospital, you get it on you. Got your soap attacher for the soap department right here. And then you got your car wash, which is this 40-degree. And then the 25-degree is what you're gonna use to pressure wash the house and stuff. So comes with a long extension cord, comes with a wand, and yeah, let's test it out. See what it's working with. So this is what we got from Lowe's. We got a Suncast box to hold our water hose. Inside it's about 100-foot water hose so that it can extend to both sides of the house. Pretty easy to unwind and wind up. Has this little lever right here. Wind it up, and then when you want to unwind, you just pull, and it'll automatically push out without winding all the cords up. But yeah, we're about to get to it. I gotta have my breakfast, my Premier Protein. If you don't know about this, it'll get you right. 30 grams of protein, that's all you need for the morning. We'll be so first up, we got a key car. It's kind of dirty. See the fingerprints. Take a y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I think I did it. Almost look brand new. Hey, I'm all about saving money. Put a little time in, save some money. That's what I just did. Ooh, okay, babe. All right, we're back day 2. Wasn't able to finish the wash. We actually got massages complimentary to our friend Shannon Darian. Appreciate y'all for that. But we about to get this bad boy. It's filthy. I love the pressure washer though, man. Watch me work. is the finishing product. The thing is shining. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? I think I did a good job. And I ain't had no extra materials. Once I get a spray and a wheel shine, it's over. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. How many days we out?
5 days out.
Just finished washing the cars. I washed her car first. What you think of your car?
My car looks pretty good. You did a good job. Save us, what, $35, $40?
Big $40 easily. But yeah, the countdown is real. We'll be headed to Orlando on Wednesday.
Jacksonville on Wednesday.
Actually, Jacksonville on Wednesday to stay with my stepmother and my dad. Go get a lineup because I'm looking real rough right now. And then you get to get your stuff altered Wednesday. Oh, it's already done?
Oh, wait, Jazz doing some alterations for me, yeah.
Okay. So then we'll head to Lakeland Thursday and then Orlando Friday. And then the big day is Saturday. So stay tuned. We got the honeymoon on Monday. We'll let y'all know the location in the next video. And we might drop the wedding video if we have time down there. We ain't gonna make no promises, but
no promises.
Y'all stay tuned. Keep like, sharing, subscribing. We almost at 300. Get us to 300 and we lit. We out of here.
And y'all can follow us on Instagram too if you want a quicker update from the wedding.
We cool on Instagram too.
I'm at Kie_lime pie.
Hey,
KIE_lime pie.
Young trippy man over here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell y'all the meaning, but hey, follow us. We out.